Ooh, okay, I like that. Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl, Curly Girl Faith, and in today's video, I will be reviewing the Mane Choice Cheers Super Strength and Full Protection Gelato Gel. Y'all, I am so excited and I am hecka late, but you know what? Better late than never, okay? That's all I gotta say, period. But before we get into this video, I'm gonna need for y'all to do me one favor. Go down below, hit that subscribe button, sis. Then slide to the right, hit that notification bell because I post every week and you don't want to miss out. Now let's get into this video. Y'all, let me see. Oh, it's kind of tight there. Oh, hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, wow. This smell like beer. I wish I could smell. Look at that. I haven't done a wash and go on here in a minute and I'm so excited to show you guys my results, and I'm just so excited to test this out. Like I said, I'm hecka late, but that don't matter. At least I'm getting into it and showing y'all how it do. I'm starting off, sectioned off my hair. I washed my hair with the Carol's Daughter Strength and Length system. Y'all need to go ahead and buy that. Try out the conditioner. Slip was off the wall. I had to look at it like, what is this, a deep conditioner or a conditioner? I don't know. But let me go ahead and grab my water bottle straight from Sally's. Nothing special here. I'm gonna go ahead and wet that up because in order to get a good wash and go, y'all, your hair needs to be damn near fully drenched, okay, for best results. My hair type is 4A, 4B, low porosity, high dense hair, okay? Sometimes too high dense if you ask me. But I have heard so many great things about this Cheers Gelato. Mane Choice, do not let me down. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and split that in half. You guys will be able to see my first impression as I apply it to my hair. And I'm excited. I'm late but excited. So now that I sprayed it down with water, I will go in with this Mane Choice Tropical Moringa Restorative Spray. Y'all, this smells like heaven on earth. It smells like a freaking tropical moringa. Spray that, give me a little moisture. I will be starting the Can It Wash and Go series. I got this idea from One Smart Fro. She is amazing and one of my favorite YouTubers. I'll link her information down below. Any other product, if you guys want to see Can It Wash and Go, comment down below and I'll make sure to get that video out for you guys. And now I'm about to try it out. Y'all, look at this. This better give me some hold, okay? Like hold till next week. She is thick. I'm not used to this texture. It's kind of weird. I don't know what I should do. I hope this don't leave my hair like sticky because I'm gonna be highly upset because Mother's Day is tomorrow and
ain't nobody got time for that.
I'm confused. I don't know. My hair is so shiny. Like, what in the world? I don't even know what to say at this point. I don't want to OD, but then again, I don't want to put too little and my hair don't come out like how I want it. Oh, I don't know, y'all. We just gonna have to see. This is one of the products that I'm just gonna have to see at the end, see the end results, because I'm kind of like, I don't know yet. I don't know. Can't judge it right now, but ooh, That's cute. Spray a little bit more spray. She feels so thick. I know I said that 20 times. And sticky. This consistency is nothing like I've ever tried before. I hope this turned out right, y'all, because Mother's Day is tomorrow. And if I come back looking like a chicken head, I'm gonna be up all night trying to do my hair. I'm not trying to scare my boyfriend people. I'm not trying to scare them and have them look at me all crazy. Well, I am just going to speed up this part. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to do a wash and go. I'm pretty sure there's a million videos on how to do a wash and go, and I got one. I'll link it up. I'm gonna just go ahead and speed this part up, let y'all listen to some music, and let's get into it. Y'all, so I don't even get this much definition from Wetline Extreme. So how about that? Like, do you not see my hair? Let me not hype it up before I look like a clown. Let me not hype it up. But it is sticky. I hope it doesn't transfer onto my skin and make my skin all sticky and stuff. Up in the front, my hair is more 4B, and I hope my hair stays as defined as it is now. So you guys, I am done with one half of my head, and so far so good. Definition is on point, but we gotta wait to the end results because you never know what you're gonna get at the end. Everything is turned out fine. It is a little bit sticky. I can bear it for now, but yes, I'll be back with this side done. See you guys in a few. My hair looks nice and shiny, kind of sticky. I can feel it on my neck that it is sticky. I don't know about that. I'm kind of scared. Lord Jesus, please let this turn out right. Yes, The definition is there, shininess is there. Main choice, don't let me down because I gotta go somewhere tomorrow. Ooh. But yeah, when this dries, I'll be back to show you guys the results and let you guys know my final opinion. And I have a surprise for you guys. It's gonna be very shocking, and just wait to the end. So you guys, I am back with the results, and I can't even explain. I'm gonna just show y'all the surprise. Are y'all ready?
No. No. No.
Y'all, I don't have another use. Like, what I'm gonna use this for my edges.
Well.
Maybe I was too heavy-handed, but the fact that it was thick, but the texture felt like I just had to apply a little bit more just to make sure that, you know, my hair won't be frizzy, everything is locked in and set. But overall, this is my ending results. So it is defined, it is shiny, but sadly it is sticky like y'all know. I don't even want to touch my hair how sticky it is. It's all sticky on my neck. I don't like this feeling. It's sticky. My hair is sticky to my ears. I just feel dirty. I just want to go hop in the shower like ASAP No Rocky. And I'll be lying to you guys if I didn't say that after this video I am going to wash my hair. I don't want to lead y'all to paying, how much is this? $14.99 on Amazon, Sally's, or at Target. Y'all ain't gonna come back blaming me because I told y'all, you know, I like the product or not. I'm telling y'all, this is just main choice. It's just a no-go. I don't understand. Everybody hyped this up. I even put down my Old Faithful Wetline Extreme Gel because it was looking good, but I told y'all the end result is gonna show out. Y'all might hate me. That's fine. Leave that in the comment section down below. Let me know you guys' opinion on this gelato gel. Let me know if it worked on you. It didn't work for me. I personally don't like it. Well, that is the end of this video. If you guys like this type of content, and if you guys like this series I'm going to be doing, this Can It Wash and Go series, comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and slide to the right and hit that notification bell so you won't ever miss a video. Love y'all.